Hi there! I got a case of the new Series 2 of the Warrior Cat figures. I couldn't really find a solid answer for the box layout this time, so I wanted to make a case opening myself here. I didn't film the opening for it, but I also picked up the mini plush box, and it seems you are still guaranteed one of each plus a random dupe. I got a Rusty. Here's what I could figure out from other people's posts though. There are no rarities this time, so if you get a full case, you are guaranteed the full set from what I can tell, so we shouldn't end up with another spotted leaf situation. The catch is that every case has 3 Ravenpaws and 3 Cloudtails. These two make up half of the entire box, and you'd only get one of everybody else. And for anybody who doesn't know yet, these mystery ones are a lie for now. They cannot be pulled at all and will be added at a later date. I think I heard spring of next year or something. Here are the 2 layouts I have seen online, which I used to successfully locate this extra J feather from another box for my friend. I'm going to try to use these to move around the dupes if I can. The first is from a video opening, and the other one is from a Reddit post that said the front ones may have gotten a little shuffled in the checkout. On both of them, the bottom 4 are the same configuration, so Feathertail, Tawny Pelt, J Feather, and Ivy Pool seem to be consistent if these are both true, so I'm going to start down there. Yep, it looks like both of those check out. My layout so far matches both that I've seen. The back middle row being Feathertail and Tawny Pelt, left to right, and then J Feather and Ivy Pool on the bottom. Let's try the top left now to see if it'll be Squirrelflight or Ravenpaw. Well, okay. This seems to actually be Tiger Star. Looks like we do have multiple layouts, unfortunately. The back bottom 4 seem consistent though between all of them. So let's try the top right to see if maybe that's Squirrelflight. Yep, we got her. There's Squirrelflight. That means the entire front of my box is comprised of Cloudtails and Ravenpaws. Let me pick out the bottom 2 to try to avoid those dupes if I can. We'll do the right one first. We got Cloudtail. Then hopefully my left one is Ravenpaw. I have so much trouble getting rid of dupes. I still got Fire Stars and Cinder Pellets from trying to get Spotted Leaf. Oh yes! Got everyone, okay. I'm not gonna open these last ones because I know what will happen now. So, here's my final box layout. My guess based on the one other layout is that the full right side is Cloudtail and maybe the full left side is Ravenpaws. There's totally more than one layout though. I hope this helps anyone out with completing the set without getting too many Ravenpaws or whatever. If you enjoyed this, consider checking out my art or my ACG Goods shop. I have charms and stickers for sale. Thank you so much for watching.